Hi, here we are in Lake Placid, Florida at S&N Auto Locators. Here I have a 1998 LX665 Turbo New Hollander diesel. It has only 609 hours. This is a low hour machine. It runs beautiful. It's in excellent condition. There are no leaks on this machine. I'm going to start this machine up, give you a quick demonstration of it. It has the quick couplers, so if you have backhoe attachments or brooms or whatnot, the attachments are here. I'm going to start it up so you can hear the machine run. Lift the bucket up and down. Give you a quick demonstration of it. As I said, the machine only has 609 hours. It's an excellent machine. And thank you for viewing our quality equipment at S&N Auto Locators.